Let's start today.
Okay. Staying warm is the theme of the video today. I'm Chann, you're watching Made by Chann. We are trying to remain cozy. If you're new here, actually we have a lot of new faces since my last video. Hello, welcome to the family. I live in Texas. We are experiencing cold front currently. I had planned on making a cute little spring top. Not what we're doing anymore this week. Not at all. I'm going to be making the Lindsey Sweater by Vikisews. I just want a cozy pullover, something without a hood because I have a lot of hoodies already, so I would like some variety. That's the plan for today. Also, full disclosure, I am a Vikisews brand ambassador, but only on Instagram, not on YouTube. But I had planned on making a pullover anyway. So this video isn't sponsored, but I do have a code that gets you 20% off. And yeah, I really don't get any credit for doing this on YouTube, but I do earn a small commission, but that's like it. But on Instagram, please, when I post it, please show it some support if you follow me over there. But yes, let's get started. If you're new here, you may not know that I typically pre-cut before I film because it takes me so long to cut. And I know this looks like crazy chaos, but let's bring you into my world. I am using this bamboo French terry that is in a lovely blue color. And I don't exactly have a matching zipper, but I do have some fun contrasting zippers somewhere. Okay, there's one. So I have this pretty lilac-y purple one, and then I have a pink zipper, and I have a light pink, and then I have a hot pink zipper. I did an impromptu poll on Instagram, yeah, kind of on my last post, asking what color you all thought I should use, and you're leaning towards the purple, and I really love the purple too, so that's what I'm going to go with. So what I've done so far is cut it out, as you can see, and then I've interfaced the pieces that need to be interfaced. I'm pretty sure I can just begin sewing. I'm going to be alternating between my serger, which I need to rethread, and my regular machine, which is typically stored there. It has a spot up there, but I use it so much, there's no need. So let me rethread my serger so we can begin. So I overlocked the edge of the front side pieces as well as the main front piece. You're supposed to overlock it without serging the sides off, and this is a good part to read the directions because normal me would have just put the whole thing together. You're not supposed to do that. So this is done, and now I just need to top stitch where the pocket is going to go. I don't know if you can see that, but I need to top stitch all along here, right there, and then also all along there. I finished sewing up the side seams as you saw me do, and if you look closely, I left a little opening that is 1 centimeter, so that flips out, and then I pressed everything inwards towards the center because now I'm going to start working on the pocket lining, which is going to go in here, and you're going to attach it to this I guess little flap on the inside of the pocket. I have this cotton spandex blend situation, so I'm just going to use this as my lining. I think it'll be a fun pop of color. We got a lot of pops of color on this thing. I'm just going to overlock the edges of this and then attach it. I finished the pocket lining, It's essentially sewing each side individually to the the side piece and the front piece, and then you sew it across the top, and that's pretty easy. And then you seal it closed on the inside, and then I top stitched here and across the top, and then that's just carbon paper. It's left a little stain, but it's fine. And then it looks really nice on the inside like that. So now that that's done, I can move on to the back piece. Okay, this is the back of my sweatshirt, and I actually already sewed the yoke to it, just one line of stitching, and then I remembered I was making a video, so I stopped. But next I need to snip in the corners and then just attach the yoke to the side pieces and then serge the rest. I finished up the back yoke. These corners gave me a little issue, but you know what? We're persevering. I'm not going to let that bother me. So now I'm just going to sew up the side seams, and then I can, and the shoulder seams, and then I can try it on. Here are my thoughts. Like, I love the color. This beautifully executed. I did cut where the zipper is eventually going to be. My thing is like, back it up so you can see me. I don't typically wear oversized clothing, so for me it's like, is this how it's supposed to be? I did size down a size. I didn't say that. Normally I think I did a 42 versus a 44. I just need it's like real baggy. I'm gonna do some research on the hashtag. There's one person specifically who made it, and I screenshotted all her stories. She talked about the mod she did. She took it in a lot so the fit would be a bit better, because I just feel like I'm not gonna wear it if it's super oversized. I get that's the style, that's just not my style. So beyond that, you know, it's very comfortable. So just I'll be back. Here's what I decided, executive decision. I am going to sew up the side seams of the sleeves, and then I am going to baste the sleeves into the armhole, try it on, see how I feel about the fit. I searched the hashtag. This is how it's supposed to fit. So I'm gonna do that, place them in, and then we'll see where we're at. You're supposed to technically do the collar next, but I'm not doing that. I'm gonna do the collar last, actually. I'm not gonna do the cuffs on the sleeves because I don't think I need to do that to get a fit idea, but I am going to do this. All right, let's get started. I like it. So all those feelings for nothing. I'm trying to get my full bod in the frame, you know, trying to show you the look. But I think the juxtaposition is good with like, it's just oversized enough with the tight shorts. She's got thighs, you know. I'm going to cut them out and then iron them, put the sleeves in properly, and then cuffs, bottom band, then work on the collar. We're gonna like zoom through this because I took my watch off. I am trying to finish this, like I said. So I finished putting the cuffs in, and I did not press any of this, but they look cute. So that's what matters. I gotta I put the sleeves in permanently too. And I need to press the arm side. I'll do that at the end. But next I need to start working on the collar. I actually already have. I attached the collar and pressed it appropriately, and then I pre-interfaced everything. That's what she recommends because it makes it a lot like faster for your flow. Now I'm just gonna put the zipper in. I went with the purple one. I think I said that in the beginning that I was deciding between 3 zippers, but I was gonna do it last night. Obviously I did not finish this yesterday because putting a zipper in when you're tired is not a good idea, just FYI. I'm gonna put the zipper in today, and that's kind of the last big chunk, like zipper and collar. I need to do the waistband at the bottom, but that's not gonna take that long. knock on wood. But let me pop the zip in. I'm really choosing to trust the process on this one because this does not look just the bottom looks bad, but I forgot I'm going to be clipping into it. But like, I'm supposed to, this is the picture, and somehow I'm supposed to shove the zipper through the hole, and I don't know how I'm supposed to make that happen, but whatever. I'm moving on to the facing. I got the back collar, or like the inner collar back piece together, pressed it, and then I serged the facing for that part. I'm sorry it's so sunny. I'm trying to adjust this exposure. Actually, I'm not sorry it's sunny because it has been dreary last week. I am happy the sun is here. But I will try to work with the overexposure. So I just need to attach this bit to this somehow, and then attach this to that. There we go. I'm trusting the process. That's what I'm doing. Trusting. Oh my life. Oh my life. Oh my life. Oh my life. So I attached the collar, and I'm going to hand sew it instead of stitching in the ditch to like finish it off, because I've had too many bad issues with stitching in the ditch in the past. And then I'm not going to top stitch it because I was looking at my other hoodies and they do top stitching for this type of situation with I think it's a cover lock machine, but or I could do a twin needle, but my twin needling skills are not where they need to be to do this and make it look nice. So I'm not, you know, I'm not stressing over my project, basically. I'm going to just watch a show, finish the collar, and then the waistband. I'm going to do that the same way I did the cuffs. If you're following along, I did not do this in order of directions. I mixed it up because I knew the collar was going to take me the longest. For the waistband, you just do it the same way you do the cuffs. You just sew the pieces together, and then with a serger, attach it to the pullover. I was going to say bodice. I think just the rest of the sweater. And then that's it. So I have not tried it on. And I'm a little like, ooh, about that. But I'll try it on in the morning. And next clip, you'll see, I think we're going to close it out here. So next clip you'll see will be me wearing my sweater. Hope you liked this video. This took way longer than expected, but I hope I like the result. You can tell by my face in the clips if I like it. If you like this video, give it a like, and if you want to see more of my sewing adventures, please subscribe. And if you want to make this sweater yourself, I do have an affiliate code, and it gets you 20% off. I'll leave it in the description, or it's probably on the screen right here. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.